going on, guys? God dang, Ricers, they don't know anything about America, right? My name is Joe Alvarez. This is my 2016 Denali. It's got the 6.2 liter Corvette engine, and it's got an 8-speed transmission. I'm gonna show you everything you gotta know about a Denali. Alright, so this is a GMC Denali. It's not a Sierra. The reason I got a Denali is just for the badging. You can see here it says Denali, letting know people that I had drive a Denali. And then back here, it also says Denali. That way when I'm smoking everyone on the freeway, doing 140 in Mexico, they can see it's a Denali. Cool features about the Denali, you know, when you're loading up your fat bitch, just drop it real smooth like that. This supports around 3,000 pounds, so it's real good. You may be wondering why I have blue tape. Well, that's because this 6.2 liter out of a Corvette always burns the tires, and I like to keep my black paint in pristine condition. I carry a set of tires in the back of my truck. You see I got one here and another there. Just in case I'm ever doing burnouts, gotta show off to some girls, I can swap them out real quick, no problem. This is a bullet off my AK-97. It's black because it's titanium like my truck. And it makes my, when I'm racing on the freeway, the air goes around it real smooth and creates less drag because I don't have that long antenna that's just, you know, making it look like an RC truck. Same thing here with the blue tape. I'm always racing behind Corvettes and Z06s and Ferraris. So when I'm on their butt, you know, I don't get those rock chips. I like to keep my truck real clean. So I got us out of my passenger side, so you can see that the Denali comes with the running boards. When I pick up girls, they're usually on the smaller side like me, because I can't pick up taller girls, so they need that running board to get in. Usually when I try to get in the bed too, I gotta hit this little button right here. That way I can grab all my cargo when I'm delivering cocaine to El Chapo. My truck is also equipped with the clear bra. As you can see the line right here, get up here close. You see that clear bra right there? Just like the one your girl wears when she's inside the truck with me. So this 6.2 liters straight out of a Corvette. People call it an all-wheel drive Corvette, which I think is justifiable for this application here. It's got long tube headers from Texas Speed. You want to zoom in on those expensive headers. Those headers are worth more than my monthly payment on this truck. So as you can see here on the intake, it's S&B. That stands for Southern and just how I like my girls. As you can see here, I'm missing water. Do you want to come back here to the back of my truck again? Oh look, I forgot to put in my automatic running board because it's a Denali, not a Sierra. Hey baby, we're still on for tonight?
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, hold on. There's a guy with a Denali.
Guy with the Denali?
What the fuck? People say that I get girls because of my Denali, but I don't think it's true. I just think it's my personality more than my truck, because trucks really don't do a whole lot for you. What's that?
What are you doing tonight?
Yeah. Oh hey, didn't see you there. I have 3% tint, so I really can't see when I'm driving even during the daytime. So now we're gonna go on a little test drive on the Denali. Roll up the windows, that way they don't see us jolling in here because we're underaged. Got the radar here. That's why I don't get tickets. So this truck has a digital dash. People ask me why I didn't get a GMC Sierra, but it's because the Denali comes with the digital dash. I'm low on gas, but I always like to keep my tank low. That way when I'm racing, it's less weight. So right here, there's a little switch here, a little actuator. This releases all the bald eagles out of the exhaust. So you can see, put it in neutral. It's not that loud. Open it up. It just screams America right in your fucking face. But yeah, as you can see, I got 3% in the front, and in the rear, I got 555. But yeah. What the hell? How'd you get back there?
Sorry, I couldn't resist.
Damn. I guess it is a Denali. But yeah, we're gonna cruise around, see if we can pick up some girls. We already got one there in the back, so we got 2 more seats ready to go. All right, so let's go to the gas. Oh, you see that truck? Not a Denali. What a shame. It's lifted though. You see that they're looking. They want the Denali. The Denali also comes with like a killer sound system from Bose. I'm gonna show you that right now.
Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in the cab, hung along. And the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on.
You hear the bald eagles right there? That's fucking USA Kicks, baby! Nothing screams Denali like a straight pipe 4-inch exhaust from Texas Speed and Party in the USA by Miley Cyrus. Oh, I think she wants to hear the bald eagles. Oh, look at that Denali right there. Hell yeah. Denali gang. I only associate myself with other Denali owners because I don't like to be with those Sierra or Silverado peasants. Unless it's a high country, then I might associate myself. Oh look, Sierra, not a Denali. See, that's why you don't buy a Ford. You end up on the side of the road like that. We got a fellow Denali owner right there. Let me give him a thumbs up. Denali owner right there. Yeah. I only pump 93. I don't pump broke because it's a Denali. You gotta pump the best fuel in it, especially when you have a Corvette engine. But that's gonna be it for this video. See you guys in the next video. Maybe next video I'll have a 2019 Denali or something.